Today is 12th January 2025. I'm recording this for the Galaxy Kingdom. Whoever get this video should broadcast it immediately to the Galaxy Kingdom. They are saying my wanted evil brother who shot me with an arrow have contested for an election with Africans. Everybody know he is simple-minded, so the source of his knowledge also. They removed my head spiritually, and my eye they took it in the land of the dead. They work with Lord Shiva, and they say they have my cobra Sheshna power, and he is contesting election, saying he wants half of the galaxy because they killed the first black man, saying the half of the galaxy is for them. I incarnated as a black man. I chose to incarnate as a black man. Before I came to incarnation, where my brother came from, I chose my mother when she was little. Those imbeciles have no business concerning my birth or my incarnation or how my mother ended up in the palace. When you are contesting election, you can't contest election whilst the person you are doing the election against is not aware. Because I never knew they are doing the election. What I know is on the 3rd of January 2025, they were performing rituals of insane person with some great witches. Because we are not different from my brother. They want knowledge, credibility, and they believe animals that I created with my bare hands can give it to them. And they started this from the first day I incarnated here. Lucifer is not involved. I know the crocodile witches who use his name. And the white people are not involved. The blacks doing that, I don't know them from anywhere. And my witness is everyone in the galaxy. I'm not aware in wherever they are doing. The consequences of their actions is for them and for them alone. So whoever gets this video, let everyone in the galaxy know the Anunnaki I told him to look after this world have no hands in it. It's my brother who came for my leg bone in the land of the dead, my eyes,